I'm Jara Lance, and I got in trucking midlife crisis, and my husband's a trucker. He owns his own trucking company, and so I literally just got my CDLs in April.
I grew up around it. I grew up around it as a little boy on my mom's side and my dad's side. And so it's just hard to get away from it.
I had a buddy that had trucks, went with him on a couple of trips, and I was hooked. I went for a 3-week trip in high school, and I was hooked. I mean, I just love the trucks, love driving them, maneuvering them.